Have you ever imagined a world where reality and virtual reality is connected? 97% of people in the world use their smartphone while walking. XR Digital World, a world where you don't have to search. Our XR content solution is optimized for pedestrians. Always thinking about a better XR experience, always working hard to realize a reality-based metaverse that can be connected to our daily lives. That is the goal of our XR content solution. By recognizing every building in nearby space, we provide an immersive XR-based content. In every location and space you encounter, you can obtain new information while having fun. Our advanced AR software technology applied to all unmanned stores provides a one-stop solution that covers the entire process, from entry to payment. Obtain new promotion-related information and ads through 3D contents, recognition of signboards, products, and an easier payment process. It all becomes possible with our one-stop solution. The dawn of a futuristic smart store is here. Now we propose an innovative XR content solution. Enjoy a seamless experience. All you have to do is see the world through an AR glass. A new future, the XR digital world. Hypercloud will lead the way.